Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important MCQs on growth and development for your upcoming UGC NET and other state set in economics. And friends, if you are preparing for UGC NET or other state set in economics, then this crash course is very helpful for you. In this crash course we are going to provide you 20 mock tests for paper 2 economics. After attending the test you will come to know your score, and also you are providing PDF solution of all the 20 tests. We are also providing you notes on each unit. Totally you will be prepared for 2000 plus MCQs in this crash course. So this crash course is available only at rupees 999. You will also get 30 plus video lectures. If you want to join this crash course, you can contact this number. The number is displayed on your screen. Just you can send a WhatsApp message or you can call us. And here you can see the mock test schedule. We are going to start our mock test on 13/9/2021. Daily you will be having one mock test. Our last test will be on 2/10/2021. And friends, if you want to join this crash course, you can join through directly on WhatsApp group, or you can also download our Global Online University app from Play Store, and you can select UGC NET Economics. Then you can join through app also. Yes, let us move to the questions. Here the question number 1 is, who was the first economist to advocate a rolling plan for developing countries? Yes, we have implemented rolling plan first for the developing countries. Option A, A.K. Sen. Option B, Gunnar Myrdal. Option C, P.C. Mahalanobis. Option D, Rosenstein Rodan. I hope you know this answer because this is very easy question. This is a rolling plan is advocated by Gunnar Myrdal. So option B is the correct answer. And rolling plan for backward countries or developing countries was suggested by Gunnar Myrdal. Please remember, according to rolling plan, this rolling plan consists of 3 different steps. Please remember it. Rolling plan was suggested by Gunnar Myrdal and it consists 3 different steps. Then the next question is, the financial dualism refers to coexistence in the less developed countries of option A, commercial banks and non-commercial banks. Option B, scheduled and non-scheduled commercial banks. Option C, stock exchange and new issue market. Option D, none of the above. Yes, financial dualism. Yes, financial dualism is given by Hala Mint. Yes, I hope you know. Yes, Professor Hala Mint has given the concept of financial dualism. According to him, such financial dualism arises because of division of money markets in unorganized sector and in organized sector in less developed countries. So here the right answer is option A, commercial banks and non-bank financial institutions. Means commercial banks, it is organized sector. Non-banking financial institutions will come under the unorganized sector. So financial dualism means it is the it is the money market between our organized money market and unorganized money market. The next question is, the technological dualism in underdeveloped countries could be broken through option A, a gradualist approach of development. Option B, family planning. Option C, planning for increased productivity in the rural sector. Option D, none of the above. Yes, a technological dualism in underdeveloped countries could be broken by planning for increased productivity in the rural sector. So if we plan well to increase the productivity of the rural people, then we can break the technological dualism. So option C is the correct answer. And the next question is, according to Colin Clark, the third and final stage of development is characterized by the predominance of option A, manufacturing sector. Option B, service sector. Option C, agriculture sector. Option D, export sector. Yes, according to Colin Clark, yes, the third sector and final stage in development is service sector. So option B, service sector is the correct answer. Yes, please remember, the 3 sectors according to Colin Clark are, one is primary sector, that is agriculture, then secondary sector means manufacturing sector, and tertiary and final sector is trade and service sector. So please remember these 3 sectors given by Colin Clark. The next question is, the concept of unbalanced growth has not been advocated by option A H.W. Singer, option B Arthur Lewis, A.O. Hirschman, and C.P. Kindleberger. Yes, I hope you know this answer. It is very easy question. The concept of unbalanced growth, it is not advocated by Arthur Lewis. So option B is the right answer. Yes, here you can see, according to unbalanced growth theory, investment should be made in selected sectors. Yes, according to this is opposite to the balanced growth theory. According to balanced growth theory, investment should be made in all the sector at a time. But according to unbalanced growth theory, investment should be made only in the selected sectors rather than simultaneously. And this unbalanced growth theory is associated with Singer, Kindleberger, Streeton, and also Hirschman, who was propounded in a systematic manner. So here Arthur Lewis is not associated with the unbalanced growth theory. So option B is the right answer. The next question is, who among the following economists developed the theory of circular causation? Yes, circular causation was given by option A Gunnar Myrdal, R. Nurse, John Robinson, J.R. Hicks. Yes, circular causation, it was given by Gunnar Myrdal. Please remember. Yes, what do you mean by circular causation? Circular causation means it is also known as the circular cumulative causation. It is a theory developed by Swedish economist Gunnar Myrdal in the year of 1956. Please remember this year also. And it is a multi-causal approach. Yes, where the core variables and their linkages are delineated. For example, the idea behind it is that a change in one form of an institution will lead to successive changes in the other institution also. Yes, when we can see development in one industry, yes, the other industries will also start developing. So this is the known as the circular causation theory. The next question is, who among the following economists held the behavior of population has an obstacle to economic growth in initiating the process of economic growth? Yes, who among the following economists held the behavior of population as an obstacle to the economic growth? Option A Rosenstern Rodin, option B W. Rostow, option C R. Nurse, option D H. Livingston. The right answer is option D Livingston. Yes, the next question is, according to Kuznets, during the process of development, the income inequalities tend to. Yes, during the process of development, income inequalities tend to option A increase, option B decrease, option C increase first and then decrease, option D decrease first and then increase. Yes, here the right answer is option C, increase first and then decrease. So make a correction here. Option C is the correct answer, because you can see here the relationship between income inequality and economic development as popularly characterized by Kuznets, which is also known as the Kuznets-U hypothesis. In the year of 1955, Kuznets argued that income inequality tends to increase at initial stage of development, then decrease as the economy develops. Yes, as GDP increases, initially the income inequality increases, but after some point income inequality starts decreasing, which is also known as the Kuznets inverted U hypothesis. So here the right answer is option C, increase first and then decrease. The next question is, big push strategy of development is based on backwash effect, productivity, internal economies, external economies. Yes, as you all know, I think in one of our videos I discussed this question. The right answer is option D, external economies. Big push theory is based on external economies. Yes, the theory of big push, it was first given by P.N. Rosenstern Rodin. And the basic rationale behind the big push theory is, it is like balanced growth theory only. It is based on the idea of external economies. Yes, please remember, balanced growth theory and big push both are based on external economies. In the theory of external economies means, here in the theory of welfare economics, external economies are defined as those unpaid benefits which go to the third parties. It is known as the external economies. The next question is assertion and reasoning. Here the assertion is the neoclassical growth theory believes that there is substantial difference in the growth pattern of less developed countries and developed countries. Reason is this is mostly due to the market failure in the less developed countries caused by variety of imperfections existing in such economies. Yes, here option A is correct answer. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. The next question is development process has been viewed as a chain of disequilibria. This statement is given by option A Rosenstern Rodan, option B R.E. Baldwin, option C H. Livingston, option D A.O. Hirschman. This chain of disequilibria, it is given by A.O. Hirschman. So option D is the right answer. Yes, according to Hirschman, development is a chain of disequilibria that must be kept alive rather than eliminate the disequilibrium of which profits and losses are symptoms in a competitive economy. Yes, this is given by Hirschman. Okay friends, this is our today's session. Once again I would like to explain you about our crash course. We are having full-fledged crash course for UGC NET paper 1, where we are providing you 60 mock tests for paper 1 with PDF solution. We are also providing notes on all the units. Video lectures we are providing 1000 expected MCQs PDF you will get only at rupees 999. And if you are preparing for UGC NET in economics, here you will get 20 mock tests for paper 2 economics with PDF solution, notes you will get, and you will be prepared for 2000 plus MCQs here only at rupees 999. And when it comes to commerce, for commerce also we are providing you 20 mock tests, PDF solution, notes on all the units with video lectures only at rupees 999. Yes, I wish all the best